told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you how I recreate my old furniture. And it is very cost effective process. I just spent hardly 1500 rupees to make over this my project. So without any delay, let's get started. In this project, I am using two furniture. I am using my very old dressing table door, and here I removed the glass, and my carpenter had cut around 2-inch length and width of this mirror. After cutting, we had pasted this mirror on same wood, and we also did framing around the mirror. Now next step is coloring of this furniture. I am selecting teal blue color. As earlier this furniture was in dark brown color, and this time I just wanted to give it totally different look, that's why I selected this color. As you can see, coloring work is done now. Selection of right place for furniture is also very important task. And furniture should be placed according to their utility and size. I have hung this mirror on the wall, and I kept this chester just below to this mirror. Two different furniture, but by keeping them together, it is giving a beautiful look. The first step of any organization or decoration is to clean that area. So I am cleaning my furniture with choline. After cleaning, now it's time to decorate it. On the corner side of this chester, I am placing a pair of this beautiful metallic bird. As I arrange this chester in my dining area, I am keeping this wine bottle and two glass. This is my DIY tray which I had prepared from my old chapati board. Coming video, I will share how I did my DIY. I am using this tray to keep some novels. And you can use this tray as an organizer or decor piece. Greenery of any area can enhance the beauty of that area. So how I can forget to keep planter over here? And now my organizing and decoration work is done. This is the final outcome of this project. You can also arrange this furniture in your bedroom, and you can use it as a dressing table.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna
I
do
hope
me
you like my
wrong.
today's video. If you like my today's video, please like and share my video with others also, and do subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, bye and take care.
Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed.